Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome back once again. Students, today I'm going to start exercise 9B, and I hope that you all have done exercise 9A. But before starting this exercise, if you haven't done exercise 9A, then first do and watch the video of 9A, then do 9B. Otherwise, you are not going to understand this exercise. Okay, so let us start today's video. In this exercise also we are dealing with the quantity of length whose unit is meter or centimeter or hectometer, or there are so many units which I have told you in the previous class. So let us do the first question of this exercise, and first question says express in meters and centimeters. Express in meters and centimeters. And the part 1 is 382.14 meter. So what we have to do, actually, we have to convert this whole meter into meter and centimeter. So this is very easy. If you look at this closely, then you can find this decimal. Okay, so the number before the decimal is meter, and number before the number after the decimal is centimeter. But I'm just telling you how to do this. First of all, we'll write that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Fine. Now what will happen if you'll multiply 382.14 by 100? You'll get. And how are you going to multiply it? If you don't know, then watch it carefully. You have to remove the decimal, and you will increase 100 in the denominator. Then 100 cancel each other, and you'll get 382.14 means 38,214, and you have converted meter into centimeter. Okay. Now what you have to do is, because you have to write your answer in meter and centimeter, so it will be 382 meter and 14 centimeter. Is it fine? Again, I'm telling you what you have to do. You don't have to do all these things. You just have to write as I am writing 382 meter 14 centimeter. That's it. Now the part B is 15.08 meter. So you'll write 15 meter and 8 centimeter. This is going to be your answer. Okay. So in the same way, you will do part C and D of this exercise. Now I'm going to tell you the B question second of this exercise, which says using decimal notation express in meters. Using decimal notation express in meters. Okay. The first part is 5 meter 13 centimeter. Okay, let me tell you this. So first we have to use decimal notation and we have to express this in meters. So we'll write it as 5 meter plus 13 centimeter. Now 5, this is already in meter, so we don't have to do anything in this part, but we have to convert this 13 centimeter into meter. So in order to do that, we have to divide it with 100. It will be 5 meter plus 0.13 meter. Okay, now add 5 and 0.13, so it will be 5.13. So your answer is going to be 5.13 meter, and this is your answer. So what you have to do, basically you have to write your answer in decimal and in meter. So I hope it is clear now. Let us do part C of this question. 130 173 meter 2 centimeter. Again you have to write 173 meter plus 2 centimeter, then 173 meter plus 2 upon 100 meter. When you will divide it by 100, so it will change into meter. So 173 meter plus 0.02 meter. So the answer will be 173.02 meter, and this is going to be your final answer. Okay, next let us do part E of question second. So part E is 4 centimeter. Now what you have to do is you have to, because you have to convert 4 centimeter into meter. So first you are going to write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then you have to divide 4 by 100 to change it into meter, and your answer is going to be 0.04 meter, and this is the final answer. Now F is 4 millimeter. Okay, 4 millimeter, and we have to convert it into meter. So first write 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 4 millimeter is equal to 4 upon 1000 is equal to 0.0, because there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So after the decimal there should be 3 digits. Okay, 0.004 meter. So now we have converted millimeter into meter. In the same way you are going to do all the given parts. Let us do question number 3. Express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Express in meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. And your question is 549.321 meter. Okay, since it is already in meter, so we don't have to convert in meter, but we have to convert it into decimeter. So how many decimeters are there in a meter? So let me tell you, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, so we have to multiply this number by 10 in order to convert meter into decimeter. So 549.321 multiplied by 10 is equal to, what will happen, since there is only 1 0, so this decimal will shift 1 digit right hand side. So it will be 5493.21 decimeter. Clear? And this is the answer. Now again you have to convert into centimeter also. So you'll write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this time you will multiply 549.321 sorry 549.321 by 100. Now we are having 20 here, so this decimal will shift 2 digit right hand side, and the answer will be 54932.1 centimeter. Okay, and Finally, we have to convert this into millimeter also. So you write 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and now convert, in order to convert it into millimeter, you have to multiply this number by 1000, and your answer is going to be 549,321 millimeter. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us do question 4. And question 4 is question 4 says express in kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Express in kilometer, hectometer, decameter, and meter. Okay, students, let us do part A. 430.756 kilometer. Since this is already in kilometer, so we don't have to convert it in kilometer, but first we have to convert it into hectometer. And do you know that how many hectometers are there in 1 kilometer? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 upon 10 hectometer. Or you can say 1 hectometer is equal to 10 kilometers. Okay, so sorry, this relation is wrong. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer, because in the staircase, if you look at this closely, first there is kilometer and then there is hectometer, and when you come upside down, so you have to actually multiply. So we can say 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer, because kilometer is a bigger unit than hectometer. So now we have to convert this number, which is in kilometer, in hectometer. So in order to do that, what we are going to do is we have to multiply this number by 10. 430.756 multiply by 10, and the answer will be 4307.56 hectometer, and this is the final answer. Clear? Now we have to convert this question, means the same number, in decameter also. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many decameter? 100 decameter. So this time you have to multiply this number by 100. So let us do this, and the answer is 43075.6 decameter. And now we have to convert it into meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 430.756 multiplied by 1000. So the answer will be 430756 kilo, in meter. Okay. Finally, question 4. I have told you, you have to do the questions at the end of the video. I'll tell you that which part of which particular question you have to do. Okay, you don't have to do all the questions given in the exercise. Now question 5, using decimal notation express in kilometer. The question says using decimal notation express in kilometers. Fine. And the part A is 540 kilometers plus 7 hectometer, 3 decameter, 6 meter. So first we'll write it with positive sign, like 540 kilometer plus 7 hectometer plus 3 decameter plus 6 meter. Now since we have to convert all the units into kilometer only, so we can see this is already in kilometer, so we don't have to do anything in this. And then 7 upon, since how many hectometers are there in 1 kilometer? There are 10 hectometers, so we have to, since we are converting hectometer into kilometer and we are going from smaller unit to bigger, so whenever we are going smaller unit to bigger, so we have to divide. So let us divide 7 by 10 and 3 by 100, because 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. That is why we have to divide 3 by 100 and then 6 by 1000, because there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometers. Now you can write kilometer in each part also, because when you divide, you have already converted the unit into kilometer. So 540 kilometer plus 0.7 kilometer plus 0.03 kilometer plus 0.006 kilometers. So what will be your answer? If you add all the numbers, 540.000, 0.7, 0.03, or you can write 0.700, okay, to like all the decimal number, like to convert all the decimal number into like decimal, okay. Then 0.03 and 0.006. Now add all the given numbers, 6, 3, 7, 0, 4, 5, and place the decimal here. So the answer will be 540.736 kilometers, and this is the final answer. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you which questions you have to do. In question number 1, you have to do all the parts, means you have to do A, B, C, D. Okay. In question second, you have to do A, C, E, and F, G, of course, G is very important, and then I and K. Question 3, you have to do A, C, E, G, that's it. And question 4, you have to do again A, C, E, G, and in question 5, again you have to do A, C, E, G. So do these questions and send me your homework on the group. Thank you everyone.